Welcome to Rwanda.
Thank you so much. And you look absolutely gorgeous, by the way.
Thank you.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So what is your name and where are you from?
I am Priscilla Tsegese. I am the founder of Next Generations. I come from Lesotho.
Nice meeting you.
It's nice meeting you.
Yeah. So I'm doing this series about business for beginners, and I would like to ask you like a few questions.
It's basically Next Gen Innovation is a multimedia company in Lesotho and abroad. We do women and youth empowerment programs, and we do a lot of film production, do documentaries, we do movies, we do empowering programs. For example, we have one that is called Film for Community Action, which is a program where we basically travel around the city teaching young people how to make films and how to monetize through filmmaking.
Are you a filmmaker?
I am. I'm a producer and an actor.
What did you study?
I did media and journalism. What made me start my business is realizing that there's not like a lot of women in our industry, but still male dominated, and a lot of times I wanted to end.
Is it common there in Lesotho?
And it's common everywhere.
What advice would you give to someone who's graduating from university and they don't have a job yet? They're trying to gain some income, trying to sustain themselves. So, what advice would you give to them if they want to start a business?
If they want to start a business, I would advise them to just start. Just wake up and start, because I don't think there's going to be a right time to start. There will never be enough capital to start. So just start right where you are, you know. It is my first time in London, and it's quite exciting.
How is Rwanda so far? What do you like most?
I think I love the fact that it's so clean. The people are quite accommodative and quite nice. Yeah, it's a beautiful place as well, so yeah.
Stop it. Yeah, I think that's cool.
Alrighty.